One of the great features of Instagram Reels is being able to use the music feature. Now, this video focuses on exactly that, just the music feature, and two key parts. The first one is what to do if you haven't got the music feature, and the second one will be how to incorporate music into your videos. So, the first one, as you can see from this screenshot, I told my brother this, he was able to use it, and off he went with using the music feature. What you need to do is jump into Reels. You need to tap just above the speed icon, where the music icon would be. It's just that the button's not up here, but if you tap in that space, you should see that you get a list of music and away you go with using the music feature. Now we've solved that for you. The rest of the video focuses on how to use music in your videos. Okay, so if you didn't have the music feature before and me showing you that little tip, trick and hack helped you have it, then don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me to continue to make these videos. Right, now to go and use that music feature, I'll take you through step by step on how to use it, incorporate music and play with music in your videos to get the best out of your Instagram Reels. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through the music feature. The first one is if you go to a reel, you can actually use a song that you've seen in another reel. So if you see at the bottom the writing that's scrolling across, Billie Eilish, you tap on that, it will show you that there's been 6,248 posts at the top that contain this music. You can then also tap at the bottom, use audio. If you use that audio, from whatever video you picked, it will use that audio. Now, from here, you can actually then pick which segment you want. So if you touch the top icon, which it looks like a little album art, you can then pick where in the song you want it to play. Now, it might be good at the beginning because it might have good sound, good beat, good music that you want. It might be at the end because you want that kind of nice fade out, or it might be some of the lyrics in the song that you want to use that highlight and emphasize a point in the video. So pick that bit. Now, I'm going to show you also, get rid of that, how to pick music that you want that's not from another video. So if you go to the top in the icon, the little music sign, you tap that. You then have all the music that's been suggested for you by Instagram. You then have Browse on the right tab, and you have different types of categories, R&B and soul, pop, sentimental, and you can click See All on the right hand side, and that will take you through to more of that particular music genre. Lastly, if you know the particular song that you want, the name of it or the title, you can push the search button and you can type in whatever it is that you want. Here we go, Wretch Free 2. And then again, you get the option to pick whichever is part of the song you want. When you find that part of the 15 seconds, you press done. Then when you record your reels, that sound will play over your reels. And obviously you can then start to combine this with the timing feature that will come to in a later tutorial. So keep an eye out for that. But at the moment, I'm sure there are going to be developments from Instagram on music, more music added, more trends. But just that last little bit of time to say, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then please don't forget to tap the like button, subscribe to keep this channel going, and of course, leave any questions in the comments below. As always, from Simply Create, thank you for watching.